Hope you're fine now. So my friends, in this video I'm talking about the emergency update of XLM. Absolutely, this video is going to be very urgent and very important for all XLM holders. Keep watch this video till the end, because in this video we discuss the latest and very important issues of the XLM. So keep watch and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, the latest price of the XLM at this time in the market is 0.344248 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the XLM. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the XLM, so the price change is going wrong, my friends, and very complicated price change occur in the XLM. No one can easily understand the price and the move of the Stellar XLM, that what will be the next move and what will be the next target for XLM, my friends. No one can understand easily, my friends. At this time, if we look the latest price update of the XLM in the market, so you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is negative. So one day they take a jump, one day they fast down, so no one can understand, my friends, as I told you, my friends. Let's see the price chart of the XLM, my friends. That is the last 3 days price chart of the XLM in the market. First of all, if you look the prices of the XLM, so the pricing is going wrong, negative 8.84%. The price is going down, my friends. And now if you look the currently condition, the currently situation of the XLM, so I hope that the currently situation is going wrong, my friends. Absolutely, you will easily make your work with the XLM, my friends. If you want to high amount of profit, so absolutely you have to hold for a long time. That is why you can make a good amount of profit, and that is why I recommend for everyone that hold XLM at this time. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about XLM? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.